Six days Mangrove awareness campaign aimed to educate and engage the communities of Moribaya, Mabonka, Kagbahan, Kichom and Kasiri in Samu Chiefdom, Kambia district. The primary focus is to highlight the importance of mangrove ecosystems, promote sustainable practices and encourage active participation in conservation efforts. This awareness campaign was facilitated by the agroforestry officer, Mohammed Kabine Dukure.
We report 1, then we plant 3. We report 1, then we plant 3. We report 1, then we plant 3.
Participants in the awareness raising campaign, majority of whom are women and youth, explained how important mangrove has been to them.
Which can benefit according to the fish. The fish then they the whole day, they the ball. The fish then the boku. But right now the guy the mangrove we don't so. The fish they all the there now we don't left now. With the monkey then Friday then I have boku. But right now hence the mangrove.
Kapulalu keba makan chene mime koko iba chat iba me kulalu itashi koko makan.
I say me I want to say me over the all day. I for not okay more than the way at Mafia said. Well, I always okay again. I want to let the woman the law put one together. For where you see project, you watch me and say no, this one now woman that will pay before the man they get for the BNB. I want to let the woman the law put one together for that man.
This mangrove restoration learn plenty things, more especially about the carbon. We know be sabi say mangrove get carbon. Then mangrove they will be meat. Where they don't pull them, they don't have them all. That they make now, we farm them down. Water they eat and now. So if we restore them back, we farm them back. They come up.
Unfortunately today, Mapa livelihood support it. And for me, them are sort of them and them work keep night. Come here, yes, me na go. Stop doing. I can't sort of. We need to come and tell you that I go work. Sort of. Understand? So a development there, you must pay. Okay. People prepare Kayafa. My family say all of two they try for safe. All who saw they work, they for be safe. Yeah. Safe from abuse, safe from violence, all the bad things away for happen.
This is the time for me say, we want to stop you from making no farm. You don't convert that place, you don't turn on the farm. We want to stop you from making no farm. But that bank way to make for protect you farm against that water. Me they tell you say I just time you dey wait for me that bank. In the sense, I like to make a say in high safety. What that water ready for car where high tide day. That water they jump that you bank the enter inside your family what's the